Please welcome, oh my goodness, this is amazing. How many places do you get to hop on a golf cart, drive 30 seconds that way, have lunch on St. Armand Circle, have a cocktail, and then drive back again? This is 216 Birdkey Drive on Birdkey. My name's Teresa Skrupkowski.
And my name's Ryan.
We are the RSTS Group, and let us show you around this magnificent waterfront property today. Elegance, glamour, sophistication, space. So much space, further emphasized by these fabulous vaulted ceilings above me right here. Beyond this wide open living space, which is an entertainer's paradise, by the way, you have two very large master suites, as well as 3 ensuite bedrooms. Although the interior and exterior of this home has undergone substantial, beautiful renovations, the real beauty is what you see in your own backyard.
So, Birdkey, the island that needs no introduction if you've spent any time in Sarasota whatsoever. This is the central location that's next to everything. You're right near downtown, you're right next to the beaches, St. Armand Circle, very close to Longboat Key. There are so many things to enjoy about this property in terms of its proximity. It just makes Birdkey a really special place. So there's very few properties that give you the ability to live this fantastic life of luxury, but you step out your back doors and you literally immerse yourself in all of the natural beauty that Sarasota has to offer. Thank you for taking this tour of 216 Birdkey Drive. Ryan Skrupkowski with the RSTS Group. If you have any questions whatsoever, reach out to me or Teresa. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. And until then, we'll see you at the next property.